Kinnser's enabled me to leapfrog all my competitors.
It's allowed us to speed up our billing probably about double.
Very user-friendly.
One word, easy.
When I had my initial managers together and we were talking about going to an electronic medical record system, everybody was crying about how long this system would take, and they were whining and pining, and we estimated this thing would take at least 6 months to 9 months to even get ramped up with all our employees. We've got about 56 employees spread out through about 8 counties. So, you know, just bringing people in for training, that kind of stuff, we thought it would take a long time to do, but it took virtually about a month to get this all done. It's enabled me to expand my operations beyond just the geographic boundaries of where I'm at right now. There's not a lot of hardware that attaches to it, basically a laptop and a Wi-Fi system. So if you got a Starbucks, you got a Kinnser system. I think it's totally awesome.
We went from a far more monolithic program. Standard, hold the server, house the server. Now we know that we've got geographic disparity between where the backups are held. I don't have to worry about that data really nearly as much as I used to. I can access the data anywhere in the world.
There's no more complaining about not having to drive to the office. I mean, they just zip their notes and we just look through it, and you don't have to deal with terrible handwritings, you know, because now you can see the words. It's very efficient because, I mean, you manage everything very smoothly, from admission to QA to this, everything is just efficient.
Kinnser came along, and now we have all of our information current, everything complete at day's end when we admit a client in the morning. So it's been wonderful, and I highly recommend it to anyone.
The fact that you can access into Kinnser software anywhere in the world provides good time management, not to be tied down in any specific place at any time. From what I'm hearing from my nurses, they love it.
We're a small agency, so I do multiple roles. I can do my social work role, I can enter the billing, and so I was able to learn different tasks in the computer very quickly, and I'm able to learn that and do all of those roles at one time and do different things all in one software.
That from intake to clinical to even to the QA process, Oasis, and ICD coding is there, you know, so everything is integrated in one whole system. Very user-friendly, not only to management staff, but to all the agency staff.
Kinnser really helps me with the scheduling as far as being able to easily get in contact with therapy companies that are also using Kinnser, as well as the nurses. You can work with it wherever you are. It's online, so you can be at home. Even if you're on vacation at a business trip or whatever, you can still check and see what the agency is doing.
It's a very, very, very good program to be used in any agency. I would recommend using Kinnser at any time. Without Kinnser, I don't think I can be able to manage my people and do what I do as a nurse.
One word, easy. It makes my job so much easier to where people like me who do wear multiple hats for an agency can get the information, can get the job done.
We're always current, and we can show that our disciplines do have the information they need to do their jobs.
No paper's ever lost. Nobody ever gets held behind for 3 weeks because rush patients come through. It's allowed us to speed up our billing probably about double.
We have actually, I think, quadrupled the census from when we initially had the first system, and Kinnser has made it a whole lot easier.
Kinnser's great, I think.
Kinnser's enabled me to leapfrog all my competitors and get things done more efficiently. I'm billing a lot faster, I'm getting results a lot faster, documentation is coming in quicker, and that all translates to cash flow. The quicker I get in my cash flow, the better off I am, so that's why I've got it.
Very easy to learn, web-based, you can do it anywhere. I've worked with different applications as far as competitors, as far as this. Kinnser just makes it easy.
It's a lifesaver.